Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're checking in to the Ibis Styles in Paignton. Actually we're not, guys. We were supposed to be staying at the Ibis. I got an email about a week ago saying we've upgraded you. We've not upgraded the room, but we upgraded to our posher hotel, which is next door. So we're actually staying at the MERCURE, which is their sister hotel. Here behind me is where we're staying tonight. Okay, let's head in. I've checked in. There's no lift shot because we're on the ground floor. Here we are, 033. Welcome to the room, guys. Let's start off with our tour. Let's start our tour with the back of the door. We have a deadlock. And on the back of the door we have our usual hotel planner and fire escape info. Next to the door we have a nice gold card slot. On the other wall we have a wardrobe. Well, let's just check it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coat hangers. And beyond that we have an ironing board and an iron above. There's a shelf with a spare duvet and some sort of locked box at the side. And a little container, I'm assuming that's just for water for the iron. Beside the wardrobe we have a safe. I probably won't be needing to use it for one night. And underneath there's another duvet. At the side we have a floor length mirror. Next to the wardrobe we have our complimentary teas and coffee. The complimentary biscuits. 1 chip chocolate orange and 1 ginger. Milks are the usual little sachets. We've got some Twins breakfast tea, Nescafé coffee, and some sugars and some sweetener. Check out our kettle. Yeah, that looks fine to me, guys. I can't see anything there. Spotless, I think. Oops, let's get rid of this little stirrer. Yeah, that looks clean. Let's try the next one. Yeah, again, we're clean there. Got 2 glasses at the side there. If we've got a drawer with nothing in it. And the cupboard, which I assume would have been where the fridge would have been. One thing I'm noticing missing, guys, is according to the blurb about a standard room, I should have some complimentary water, and I haven't got any. But never mind. That's because we don't have a fridge. Next to the tea coffee bit we have our little suitcase stand. So you have quite a large bed. I mean, let's call it a double bed. I have a feeling, to be quite honest with you, I think this actually could be a king, or even a super king even, you know. I'm looking at it and thinking, you know, we could quite easily get 3 people in this bed, never mind 2. We got 4 pillows and a little cushion. Feels okay. I'll assume the other 3 are fine as well. Right, let's do the bed test. Alright, yeah. Yeah. That feels fine, that feels okay, but obviously I'll give you an update in the morning. Here's our bedside unit. The drawers seem a little bit knackered. We've got our phone, obviously, to call the reception, etc. We've got 2 double sockets and 2 USBs. As you can see, we've got a nice little reading light here. Yeah, that's fine. You can see me flashing it about. And above that we've got a little side light. And on the other side of the bed we have the same. Though these drawers are fine with a nice soft close. We've got a nice chair in the corner. That's okay, guys, not feeling any crumbs or anything. Above the bed we have some art. Here next to bed we've got our standard aircon controls. I'd used in Premier Inn, I think the same ones are also in Travelodge. Got a large floor to ceiling window here, guys. Not much of a view, as you can see. You have the car park, and then we've got decent curtains, decent weight here because the blackout curtains are probably fine. We've got a nice big TV. I think we've just got basically standard Freeview channels. Unfortunately, it's not a smart TV. I can't get YouTube on it or anything. Next to TV, you'll find a bin. Quite like the decor in this room, guys. This sort of dark, sort of grey or sort of bluish colour scheme with these grey bit of wallpaper and these nice sort of dark, almost black but not wood. Okay, I quite like this carpet, guys. It is quite clean and, you know, it seems to be okay. It doesn't be threadbare in places or anywhere, so that's absolutely fine. Here's our desk. It's rather smart. The gold trim does add a bit of sophistication. An okay sized desk, fine if you need to work on your laptop. A nice side light. There's a double socket there, and I think the other socket's off for plugging the phone in. Nice chair, let's pull it out and check it out. Yeah, that looks fine, clean. Not see any marks or anything on that. Oh, hang on, is that any mark down? Yeah, there's a little black mark in the corner there, but you know, that's not going to bother me. Let's check out the bathroom. Here's our loo, our toilet roll and our spare, and there's been an attempt to fold it into a point. The loo's clean. Nice bright lighted mirror. Decent sink, 2 glasses, dispenser of liquid soap. We've got a couple of face cloths at the side of the sink. It's been a long time since I've seen them in a hotel. And above the loo we have a tissue dispenser and some hygiene bags. There's a bin under the sink. Little handrail for your hand towel. A heated towel rail with our towels. Here's our shower. Interesting, these shower controls are on the opposite wall from where you would normally expect them. We have a little shelf, and above that we have a shampoo and body wash. Does anybody know what elemental herbology is? It's not a brand I've heard of. If you've heard it before, drop us a line, tell me about it. We've got a nice clean rain head shower. And the wall another little shower for our bits. The shower looks really nice and clean, guys. I'm not seeing any mould or anything anywhere, even around the sort of ground at the bottom. There's a little bath mat on the floor, or if I was to use. Okay, guys, let's try the shower out. Okay, so pressure-wise, temperature-wise, that's fine. Time for some body wash. Morning. Well, we've got up, we've showered. This bed was a little bit firm. I found the pillows a little bit firm as well. You know when you get that sort of thing where one pillow is not enough, but 2 pillows is a bit more than what you need, height-wise. It was fine. There was no surprises in the night, no bumps in the night. Didn't hear anything from outside. The window insulation obviously works. So anyway, I think it is now time to get up and have breakfast. So I'll catch you later. Here's our buffet breakfast. There was cereals, there was yogurt, there was compote, there was ham, cheeses, all your usual breakfast items for your fry-up. I only fancied a small fry-up, and they had scrambled eggs out, so I asked for a fried egg, and one was provided. Their coffee was fine, and I quite enjoyed the pan chuck I had with it. Here's the gym, if you really want to work out while you're here. What do we think of the MERCURE Hotel, guys. Well, I think it's a bit like a posh Premier Inn, really. You know, as far as the rooms goes, I like the design of the room. You know, I quite like this gold trim round everywhere, and the black and the gold and the grey, and sort of dark blue of the walls kind of works. Few little quirks. Stirrers, little wooden stirrers instead of teaspoons. What's that about? I mean, you know, if I was staying in the Wetherspoons Hotel, maybe, but it's supposed to be a sort of, you know, upmarket brand, you know, so give me a teaspoon at least. Okay, right, what else? I like the TV. Can you see that TV? Huge TV, wonderful, great. Unfortunately, it's not smart, so I couldn't get YouTube. Never mind. What's next? Well, I found the bed a bit firm. It's a lovely big bed. You know, you can fit 3, possibly even 4 people in that bed, quite honestly. You know, fun times. But no, a bit firm for me. The rest of the room was quite nice. The bathroom's quite nice. I didn't have an issue of any water coming out of the shower area, so that was fine. I like that the shower controls on the opposite side of the wall from the actual shower itself. That would make a difference. And there was a nice sort of knob which told you which way for your little shower and which way for your big shower. So that was handy as well. Breakfast. What do we think of breakfast? Breakfast was fine. It was a buffet breakfast. You know, they did scrambled eggs. If I wanted fried or boiled egg, I could have had that. I asked for a fried egg. Came in 3 minutes. Absolutely fine. Quality of the sausage and the bacon could have been better. Again, no hash browns, but if you asked for them, you would have got hash browns. So, you know, which is probably a good thing, because we're British, we're not American. Hash brown is not a thing. We shouldn't really be having hash browns on our breakfast. Yeah, it was okay. It cost £12. If I just turned up, it would have been 18, which is way too expensive for what it was. What you all want to know is the price. Well, if I was staying at the Ibis Styles, which I was supposed to be, remember, I would have paid £61.20 for that room, that standard room. However, this standard room, which doesn't have a sea view, I guess going by their rates, probably an extra 20, maybe even £30 more. So it's interesting. So, you know, at some point I'm going to have to go back and try and compare the two. They are part of the same chain. They're all part of the Accor group. You know, and like Holiday Inn, you have lots and lots of different types of hotels. So yeah, well, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. I'll see you around.